Utilizing Siri can be a great way to quickly create reminders. For Siri to be aware that you want to set a reminder, we need to start with the words remind me or set a reminder. Let's add a reminder on the iPhone with Siri. Siri, remind me to water the houseplants at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Tap to view it in the Reminders app. The reminder was added to my home list because it's set as the default list in reminder settings. We can also set up location-based reminders with Siri. I'll add one reminding me that I need fertilizer when I stop at Home Depot. Remind me to pick up fertilizer when I get to Home Depot. That adds the location-based reminder with the local Home Depot store as the location. Next, let's move over to the iPad and delete the water houseplants reminder we made. Instead, let's create a recurring reminder with Siri here. Set a reminder to water the houseplants every Wednesday at 8 a.m. If you get in the habit of using Siri, it could very well become the most common way you use to create reminders.